Are you feeling tired, unmotivated, or like your body just isn't keeping up anymore? It might be more than just age. Your DHEA levels could be declining. DHEA is a hormone that supports your energy, metabolism, and overall vitality. And as we age, those levels drop significantly. When your DHEA levels drop, you may experience constant fatigue, mood swings, and even weight gain. Your body struggles to keep up with daily demands, and it feels like your health is slipping away. That's where Max Health Nutraceuticals DHEA 25 mg steps in. This supplement supports healthy hormone levels, promoting more energy, better mood, and enhanced overall well-being. It's the boost your body needs to function at its best, helping you regain that youthful vitality. Feel like yourself again with Max Health Nutraceuticals DHEA 25 mg. Visit drnicolemd.com/Max Health Nutraceuticals to order yours today and take the first step toward reclaiming your energy and health.